Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Good night and reflecting. It's getting late, and I think it's finally time for us to say goodnight after such a long and busy day.
Yes, I agree. And honestly, I feel both tired and satisfied with everything we managed to accomplish today.
When I think back on this morning, I remember how rushed everything felt, but somehow we handled it well.
That's true. And even though we had a lot of unexpected tasks, we didn't let them overwhelm us.
I'm especially proud of how we stayed calm during that stressful moment in the afternoon.
Me too, because usually we would panic, but today we handled it with patience and clear thinking.
Reflecting on the day like this really helps me appreciate the small wins that I might otherwise forget.
I feel the same way, because even small achievements can make a big difference in how we feel.
One of my favorite moments today was when we finally had time to sit down and talk without rushing.
That was a nice moment, and it reminded me how important it is to slow down and enjoy simple things.
Even though not everything went perfectly, I think we did our best, and that's what matters most.
Exactly, because perfection isn't realistic, but effort and progress are always worth appreciating.
I also learned a few lessons today that I want to remember for tomorrow.
What kind of lessons are you thinking about right now?
I learned that staying organized can really reduce stress, especially when things get busy.
That's a good point, and I learned that taking short breaks actually helps me stay more productive.
It's interesting how reflection can turn even difficult moments into valuable experiences.
Yes, because when we reflect, we start to see meaning in things that seemed frustrating at first.
I'm also grateful for the support we gave each other throughout the day.
I'm grateful for that too, because it made everything feel a little easier to handle.
Do you ever feel like these quiet moments at night are the most peaceful part of the day?
Definitely, because everything slows down and we finally have time to think clearly.
I like how the night gives us space to relax and let go of any stress we were holding.
It's almost like a reset button for the mind, preparing us for a fresh start tomorrow.
Speaking of tomorrow, is there anything you're looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to being more focused and applying what I learned today.
That sounds like a great plan, and I want to start the day with a calm and positive mindset.
I think if we keep reflecting like this every night, we'll keep improving little by little.
Yes, because growth doesn't happen all at once, but through consistent small steps.
And nights like this help us recognize those steps, even when they seem small.
I also want to let go of any mistakes I made today and not carry them into tomorrow.
That's important because holding on to mistakes can make it harder to move forward.
Instead, I want to remember the lessons and leave the negativity behind.
That's a healthy way to think, and it helps create a more positive mindset.
I feel calmer now after talking about the day like this.
Me too, because sharing thoughts makes everything feel lighter.
It's nice to end the day with a sense of peace and understanding.
Yes, and it helps us sleep better when our minds are clear.
I think I'm ready to rest and recharge for tomorrow.
I feel the same way, and I'm looking forward to a fresh start.
Before we go to sleep, I just want to say thank you for being there today.
You're welcome, and thank you as well for your support and kindness.
It really means a lot to have someone to share both the good and difficult moments with.
I feel lucky too, because it makes every day more meaningful.
Let's try to carry this positive energy into tomorrow.
Absolutely, because a good mindset can shape the entire day.
I hope tomorrow brings us new opportunities and even better moments.
I believe it will, especially if we keep this attitude.
All right, it's time to rest and let the day come to a peaceful end.
Yes, let's close the day with gratitude and calm thoughts.
Good night, and may you have a restful and refreshing sleep.
Good night, and I hope you wake up feeling energized and happy.
Sleep well, and don't forget all the good things we experienced today.
I won't, because those memories will stay with me.
Tomorrow is a new chance to grow and do even better.
Yes, and I'm excited to see what it brings.
Let's get some rest now and let our minds relax completely.
That sounds perfect, and I'm ready to sleep.
Good night once again, and sweet dreams.
Good night, and see you in the morning.